Where is the child, Jesus Christ, upon a Christmas day. And man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible said, there is the child, Jesus Christ, upon Christmas Day. Lord, hear the angels sing, the King has born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. There is for the child, Jesus Christ, upon a Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their family light, they see a bright new shining star. Oh, oh, as the world was aglow, all the bells rang out, there were tears of joy and laughter. People shouted, let everyone know